I've missed so much. I wish I could have raised you and taught you father to son.
Me too. But it's okay. You're not alone anymore. We have each other.
Maybe if I'd raised you, made you better. I'm not some weak, sniffling pussy. Fuck you!